If you are getting water on your basement walls and it looks something like this, more than likely you have a downspout to drain separation on the outside wall. Digging this one out, well, it's tough to see it, but this thing is going the wrong way. It's sloped back towards the house, and it's holding about, well, maybe almost 3 inches of water. In fact, it's exactly 3 inches of water. So this whole line needs to be raised up. Here's the, right there is where it tees into the main line. Carefully raise that existing line and either use it or remove it. If the fitting is cracked or the pipe is smushed, just get that stuff out of there. So I've raised that line up a good 3, maybe 4 inches right now. You can see how much space there is underneath the pipe where I've raised it. So that now has downhill flow. And all the water that was in the pipe is now gone. Alright, so I pulled that old piece of pipe out and I've cut one the exact same length. We're going to go ahead and glue that one in place. Make sure that I got it the correct length. Okay, it's coming right up to that lip of that 90. Here I'm using multi-purpose PVC pipe glue. A popular brand and easy to find on any hardware store shelf is glue in the red and white can. So you can see that I glued that fitting all the way down through the coupling. I've got a nice seal there, so nothing escapes at the wall. That's important. We're going to tie it into the main line. It's coming right here. You can see I got just a little bit of standing water there. Not much I can do about that unless we replace the entire line. But it looks like it's holding maybe, what, 1/4 inch of water there. Make a quick inspection at your tie-in point. Be sure the coupling's in good shape. Now let's insert that new pipe into this fitting. Don't use any glue here. This is now a pivot point and will be used in the last step of our repair. I think you could see that. I pushed it all the way into the coupling and it aligns just where I want it up here at the wall. We're closing in on the last steps of this repair. I must reiterate this again. Downspout to drain separation is the #1 cause of wet basement walls. Water seeps through settling cracks, filling the cinder block with water, then continues to fill the blocks below the area of penetration all the way to the basement floor. So on 3-inch pipe, you want to be sure that you cut your up pipe to the downspout right to the bottom of the downspout coming off the roof. So it goes all the way down. Just rest it on the coupling and take a measurement. Cut that pipe.
That's perfect. You want it to sit just underneath there. So again, you do not put any glue onto the adapter. You can, but I don't do it because sometimes people need to access the line in the future, and it's a good idea to be able to take off that downspout adapter.
Let's move on to the pivoting and articulation steps. It starts with removing the downspout strap.
There's a little bit of paint on that downspout strap. Pretty fresh paint too. All right, now I'll be able to move this downspout left and right and install that downspout to drain adapter or a downpipe to the 90-degree elbow. Sure that adapter's in there all the way. And there you have it. So I'll just get this thing lined up, put the strap back on. Will be complete. Perfect. Nicely sealed.